Okay, it's Wednesday night. We're halfway through the week. I've got 5 bags here in front of me, left over from the first bag of the week. We need to open this second bag and get 5 out of here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's for Thursday and Friday nights. Right, let's get on with this one. So what we're going to find in tonight's video, we've done all right so far this week. Yesterday we found the Newton, fantastic, but on Monday we found handball, and we need that for the album, amazing. And tonight we are going to be even luckier than that and find something else amazing here tonight. Oh yes! Whoop whoop! Hang on a second. Is that... No, it's not, is it? I thought that was the one we need for the book, but I don't think it is. No. Oh dear. I thought it was judo for a split second, but it's not. Yeah, I've already got this one in the book, but still an Olympic. You can't grumble at finding Olympic Taekwondo. Very nice. Very nice. If we can just find one brilliant coin every night, I'll be mega happy with the week, how the week's gone on. Mega happy. Oh, so happy I've lost all my strength. Oh, don't have any pre-tears in these bags. Come on, out you come. Now I dropped one of you, but there he is. There we go, Taekwondo. Like I say, I thought for a split second, I thought that was judo, but judo is my most judo is my football. 2020. What's that gonna be? A Brexit. Yeah, so like if you ever watch Bungle's videos, his bogey coin is football. Mine is definitely judo. I've got almost 3 sets, and I've just found another Olympic. I've almost got 3 sets of... in my main Change Checker album, I've got 1 set. I've got a backup album, a second album, looks a bit like this, that I've got a full set. And then I've got 3 partial sets in my little storage bins. And the only coin I'm missing to complete 3 sets is judos. I actually need 3 judos to complete those sets. Anyway, we've... not that one. Christopher Ironside. Yay, nice coin. Moving on quickly because I've got something else in my hand. What was the... I remember. It was archery, wasn't it? That was the other common Olympic, if there's such a thing. So this is an Olympic, like I said. Yay, 2011. And we'll spin it over. It's an Aquatics. So we don't need that in the book, do we? We've got Aquatics. But Olympics. Just double check we don't need it, do we? No, we've got an Aquatics. There we go. Cool. Olympic. Olympic is an Olympic. That's all we need to know. Another Benjamin Bunny. Let's have a look. Spin him over. Oh, the Queen's the right way up. There we go. Another Scouts. We found one, was it yesterday? Tuesday night. Hey, Sherlock. Don't find him too often these days. Mr. Arthur Conan Doyle's Sherlock Holmes. 2017, 2019. 2019. Someone messaged me the other day saying that they're all NISC coins, aren't they? The Sherlocks, and I'm like, no. I said, oh no, they've been reissued. 2019. I said, no, it's not. It wasn't the Sherlock. It was the Girl Guides and the Scouts and Kew Gardens and Battle of Britain and such like that. But they were adamant, actually adamant, that they had an NIFC 2019 Sherlock Holmes. Okay, whatever. I guess it's easy to get confused. So many coins out there, so many different things you have to look out for with these coins. But, you know, whatever. Sorry to burst your bubble, really. Pre-tears, there we go. That is the worst thing. Someone thinks they've found something absolutely amazing, and then you have to go, nope, very common. People do that at work. I've asked everybody at work to look out for coins. Look out for different coins. You know, if you see something that's a little bit bit odd, then just keep it for me. And then they find something, and I'm like, no, Benjamin Bunny, very common. VC medals. We've got one of those, haven't we, already tonight or this week? There we go. Shield and Britannia to finish. Nearly dropped it. Yes, so I try if it's someone I really someone I spend a lot of time with, like a work colleague or something like that. I will always just take the coin and don't discourage them. Is the trick, because the minute you say, oh no, that's just a regular one, there's nothing special, you run the risk of just putting them off even bothering in the first place. So another 2016 Peter Rabbit, much better condition than the one we found earlier this week. Very grubby, that other one. Yes, so be happy and appreciative of any coin that anybody finds for you, just in case you put them off. You don't want to do that. And just like that, we're on to our last bag for tonight. There we go, that has actually shot by, I think. That was quicker that time tonight. I don't know what I'm talking about. Why should you guys know? Tommy Kitten. Tommy Kitten. Atomic Kitten. That's why he's got spooky eyes. He's Atomic Kitten. There you go. He's been irradiated. That is great condition. Very nice. Lovely and shiny. There we go. 2017's Tom Kitten. Right down there. Ah. Right. So double Olympic Wednesday. What? Hey! Let's have a little sneaky peek at what's happening tomorrow night. Hey! Oh, another Olympic! Oh, it's one and we need for the book as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Disgusting group of people. The great unwashed. Fantastic. That looks amazing tomorrow night. Excellent. So, please like and subscribe. If you've got anything out of this video, like and subscribe. Very helpful. It would help me out a lot. Until tomorrow night's video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect. 2 double Olympics.